Hello everyone, welcome to the course Learn Python Programming Level 1. Python is used in a wide variety of applications. In majority of the major tech-based companies, more than 21% of the base program are written using Python programming language. It is also known for its simplicity. Python was created in the year 1991 and is a high-level programming language and has its root with older programming languages. Python works on the same aspect as other programming languages where programming paradigms and concepts are present. Python is used because it is easy to understand and it's easy to code phrases. We are able to decipher a vast majority of the base commands. There are multiple data types present in Python which are used for a wide range of applications. Each of these data types have operations which can be used. During this course, we will be using Jupyter Notebook as a programming IDE. And for this, we will be installing and using the Anaconda distribution. This is a wonderful course to understand and work on the fundamentals of Python. I hope to see you guys in the future sessions of this course. Thank you.